Hello everybody and welcome to the late night stream. It is currently Black Friday, so I hope you guys all burst into Walmart at 6 in the morning and broke down all their windows. But today we are going to be continuing on with the React Native tutorials. We'll be actually building an application today, well, the first part of it, and the application idea that I have is a password vault. So I plan this out as having two sections. There's going to be an offline section and an online sector of the application. Today we'll be doing part of the offline section, hopefully most of it. But the whole process that I have kind of planned out is it's going to store all the passwords and usernames locally. And that'll be encrypted using a password. But yeah, so this is sort of like a rundown of the functionality of the offline functions of the website, or of the mobile application that we will be creating using React Native. And in the future, we will be trying to connect this to a website, because my whole purpose of this this application is to be able to store all your passwords locally on your phone and be able to send them to a website where you can copy and paste them into online accounts. So the first thing we'll have to do is we'll have to create our application. So I'm in a folder on Visual Studio Code. I'm going to go ahead and create a folder for the mobile app, and then I will open up my terminal, go into the mobile directory, and then I'm going to initialize the application. So we learned this command in the last video where we we actually used this command in the last two videos for the React Native playlist where we initialize the project. So Expo init, and then we will just call this password vault, like that. I'll do blank for now. The name will just be password vault, like so. And it's going to give us that error again with the build files, and I'm not sure why that hasn't been fixed, but it may be an issue with Node.js, but who knows. Let's see, is it going to come up? So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. It's a bit of a late night stream. I was pretty busy today, so I don't know, hopefully this is a nice time for some of you guys with the trillions of people that are watching. So I'm just going to go ahead into the password vault directory, and I'll just leave that there for now, and then I will just go ahead and actually tackle that issue now. So in the password vault, we will go into node_modules, go all the way down to metro-config, which is over here, source, defaults, and then blacklist.js, and you just want to add a backslash to every / in line 15. That's what it is right now. So we get this error every single time. So yes, now the next thing I want to do just before starting the application is actually doing a logo. So I don't think we actually went through this last time, but I actually created a logo, my downloads folder right here. So I can let me just open this up actually I'm gonna open this up in a new folder, or a new file explorer window, just up here. The icon is 192 by 192, so I want to make this 192 by 192. So in my canvas, just lock it, resize image 192, like that, save it, and now, is it still open? Alright, so now, where did it go? Here we go. So I want to move this to assets. I'm going to delete the icon. I'm going to rename this as icon.png. So this is 192 by 192. So when we start the app, that's what should show up as the icon of the application. And then the splash is 1242 by 2346. Let me just write that down. So 1242 by 2436. And I'm just going to be, I will actually just edit this on the fly right now in Paint 3D. So we can go into assets, and I'm just going to drag this right here. And I will, I don't think that, is the crop gonna, no. Wait, hold on a second. Hold on a second. I'm gonna make a copy of the icon so I can just resize it right here. So so I'll go to canvas and I'll make the width 1242. That's very nicely, that's a nice resolution there. And then I'll put that in here. Oh, that's perfect. And then now I can just take my color selector, take that, do some of that, and do some of that, and that is 2D PNG, and I want to put that in assets. No, not, god damn it. In here, yeah, and then I'm just gonna replace it. And now when we actually start the app up, so I'll just close out of this. If you don't want to do any of that, don't worry. That was just me trying to do something new. But that is in the assets folder. So now we can actually start up our emulator or your device. Make sure it's on and connected to your computer. It doesn't have to be connected to your computer actually. Let me just close out of all these other test apps that I had open at the time. Now let's run the app. So the command to run the app is npm start, like that. And it is running, that's good. So now we can minimize this window. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually do that so I can have both on the same page. So, and then I'm just gonna press A to run it on Android emulator. And there we, oh, I need to resize that, I guess. But whatever, it works. See, so that's a splash screen. And there we go, open up. And then if we look up here, that's our logo that we had. And that is looking all good. So yes, we have a working app right now. Okay, so the process that this app is going to run on is when the app first starts, it's going to check to see if a file exists. So a JSON file that holds all the accounts. If that file does not exist, it will prompt the user to create an account. So let's go to app.js. So we can close assets for now. Do app.js, and this is going to require a this is going to require a new a package to be installed. So package I found is Expo file system. To install Expo file system, you just have to run this command. This is like npm, but this is one of the functionalities that make Expo so appealing because you can install different packages that allow you to harness different features. Some of them which are native to different iOS system or OS systems. So the install statement is just Expo install Expo dash it's just Expo dash file dash system, all right. Expo dash file dash system, like so. Oh, I need to be inside the folder. So make sure you are actually in your project folder. All right, and then Expo install Expo dash file dash system, like so. And now it will be installing. So this link will be in the description of this video, and I'm just going to be using a couple of these functions to actually to get some data from the file. So is it going? Your current use install Expo CLI, blah blah blah. All right, so we install. Why is it not moving? Do I need to close the app? Let me try that. And then did it install? Audited. Oh no, that's the IRS here? I'm actually did it install? I think I can check if it did. Node modules. Expo. Alright, it installed. Alright, good. Alright, so we know it installed. Good. Alright, so now at the top here, I'm just gonna actually put this here, and I'm just gonna import all the packages. So import star, so everything as file system from expo-file-system, like that. And the first thing we're gonna do, so this is run like a JavaScript file, it just reads top to bottom. So we're going to use this function filesystem.getInfo async. So this is going to return a promise. I'm not a JavaScript expert. I don't know what the hell that means. But I just know that you need to use some sort of syntax, weird syntax, to actually make sure that it executes this in the proper order. So the way we're going to actually get the data from this is we're going to say, well, we can actually just create a new folder here and call it data, and then we'll just go ahead and say let tmp, just for temp, is equal to await, and it's going to be file system dot get info async, and it'll be file colon slash slash I can't say, and we'll say pw.json. And temp is going to return a dictionary, like that, if it doesn't work. I actually don't know what this is going to link to. Where is this going to link to? I'm actually very confused because I don't know what the file. I actually just learned this earlier today. This is one of the reasons why I was delayed on my stream, because I wanted to stream earlier, but then I ran into this complication. I had no clue. Okay, file is a directory. Okay, I actually don't know where that is, but who cares? Because now I'm gonna go ahead and test this. So we can say console.log tmp.exists, and that will print out the actual application, or print out if it exists. And we know it doesn't exist, so I want to go ahead and create the file. So write the entire contents of the file as a string, delete file, move, copy, make directory, read directory, download, blah 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 blah. Where is write? Is there a write? I'm actually confused. Is there a write? Download the contents at a remote URI in the apps file system. Read directory, make directory, copy. You know what, for now let's just do the make directory, and we'll just see where we'll see where it ends up. Okay, so await file system dot make directory async, and we will just say file, and we'll just say pw vault, like that. And now let's go ahead and run the vault, or run the application. So npm start, let's load up the emulator. Tunnel ready. Let me just actually get rid of that, and I'll press A to open up the project on emulator. Yeah, so this is a problem. I do need to fix that, but okay, error. Cannot use keyword await outside an async function. Do I just do no await? Let me try that. Let me restart this. Yeah, the only problem I had, the restart process on this is kind of annoying, but who cares? npm start, good. Emulator, press A, and but did it do it? I think that's a syntax error, so it just prevented the run altogether. Alright, so what has become clear to me is that I have to completely restart the app if I'm in a syntax error, which kind of sucks, but what are you gonna do? Alright, so we'll go back into the emulator. Once again, we will press A, and if you have the app, just scan the QR code on the Expo app, and undefined. That is pw.json isn't readable. Isn't writable. Alright, so let me see what this, let me go to the file system here. Is that a thing? Where's the, how do you get to the file system? Is that, where are the apps? There it is, they're there. Alright, files. And I'm just gonna go to SD card. Alright, there's nothing there. I would assume that this is where everything is. Let me actually just, I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this because I actually have no clue what to do in this case. Like, phone gap, blah blah blah. File, or here, Expo file isn't writable. Not WordPress. Doesn't seem like there's much on this. That's not good for us. Let me look at the documentation for this. Here we go. Alright, so file system.dot. Alright, so that's just in there. You know what, maybe let me put this in the constructor. Let me just see that, if that works. Another way you can handle that is just another way you can handle promises is through this. This is literally the only thing I know about how promises work. Like, that's practically it. Is it gonna load it? Or reload it at least? Let me just see if it actually gets into the constructor. Alright, whatever, we'll restart the app altogether. npm start. This is gonna be a long process, but don't worry. Once we get past this, a lot of it will be a lot easier. Alright, let me just close out of all these. Press A to open the project. And okay. Token expected. What? Is the constructor not a thing? Alright, let me look at this. Because I know I This is just the stuff that we did in the, yeah, constructor, oh, constructor props. Well, no, actually, technically this doesn't apply because this isn't a component. Let me see. React Native app initialization function. Where do we initialize to? Let's see. Export default. You know what, maybe let me just do extends component like that. Delete that. Wait, I need to check if this works. React Native docs. Because I know that they did something like this. Is it handling touches? Or export default. Oh, it's render and then return. Okay. So I can do a constructor with props and then render return. Okay. So constructor with props and then render. What is it? Render. All right. Render is just a function. And then return is inside of that. Like so. And there is an error here for some reason. All right, let me just, oh great, gotta restart it all over again. Yeah, this is going by very slowly because I have no clue what I'm doing. Like, I'm actually clueless. Like, I'm not trying to be funny, I'm clueless here, but it's all about the learning process. Great. Let me just button basics extends component. It shouldn't. Doesn't need the, doesn't show the things here. Should I just put it there? Is that gonna help? Yeah, now I gotta, oh my god, this is gonna take forever if I have to keep restarting. This is actually gonna take forever if I have to keep restarting. Alright, that's good. Let me exit out of this. Alright, open up the project. Oh my god. Oh. Why is it not allowing us to export default class? This is exactly what it says here. Alright, there's a function, that doesn't matter. State, that's what I want. Extends component. Is this what we want? Handling text input. Here we go, this is what I want. Constructor props. Yeah, this is exactly what we have. This is exactly what we have here. Export default class. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Yeah. No. Don't worry about it. I know. I definitely saw that. Don't worry. First time. Don't worry. We definitely didn't just spend 5 minutes on that. Don't worry. Oh my god. That. Oh, Jesus. No wonder. Oh man. That. Oh god. Yeah. That's. Uh-oh. What is the error? Can't. Oh, because. Oh my god, I didn't freaking import it. I feel like such a dummy. Super props, okay. That's all I need for this. Super props. File. Let's hopefully this constructor, good. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right, now we're just back to this place. But this is not. I'm very confused on how the file system works. And I have an Android. Is it just not able to? Is there like a permissions area that I need to look at? Privacy. Permission manager. Storage. Expo. That allow. I hope that's it. I really hope that's it. I really do hope that's it. Alright, is there a way to reload it? I think I just have to, I'll just add a console log. Constructor? No. That didn't even work. Yeah, we might be screwed. I think we're kind of boned here. Because there's nothing here. And I freaking did the permission thing, right? Didn't I? Yeah. Privacy. Permission manager. Is it additional? No. Storage. Maybe I just didn't read it. Right. Allowed Expo is on there. Denied. So everything else, but I don't see password vault here. It's not like. Let me. It's. Is there anything here on it? Doesn't look like it. Great. Great. All right. You know, let me see if I can do it on my phone, like directly. All right, I'm gonna. Let me. Expo. I'm just opening up the app on my phone right now and seeing if it works. All right, it did give me any. It did give me the same errors. I don't know what the base path is. All right, let's see. File system path Expo. So I don't know. Is it? All right, so it's not just. I think it's just the wrong path. I think that's all it is. All right. Expo. All right, document directory. Oh, cache directory. Now, okay. File system.doc. I think I'm kind of should have looked at this earlier. All right, so let me do the little JavaScript, little string interpolation thing. I hope this is right. And then in the parentheses we have file system dot. I don't know if I did that right. There we go. file, yeah, there we go. System dot document directory slash, and then, all right, I think I was just looking at the wrong thing. And then file system dot document directory slash data. And I'll just print out file system dot document directory like so. So now it's gonna, please do it. Did it work? Oh, file, okay, it does not exist. Good. All right, now let's look at the file system. So SD card, data user, is that Android? Data, no. Oh, there we go, host, there we go, cache, no. It's wrong. Hold on. Where's my file system? There we go. No, not storage. Files. All right, where is this? Data slash user. Is that in? All right, I don't think that matters. I hope it doesn't matter. I really hope it doesn't, but we know that this doesn't exist. So what we can do is now we can just go ahead and do await, let temp equal, await that, and then if temp dot exists, then we will not prompt, or we'll do if not temp dot exists. What is this? I think it's the, let me just, this dot state, this dot state is equal to that, and then so if this file exists, we're going to go ahead and say the state new is equal to false, or we'll set it to default as true, and then we will, hold on, let me just, all right, we actually don't need the things here. So new is default to true, and if it doesn't exist, we want to set new to false. This dot state dot new is equal to false. Okay, good. So we can delete that. Okay. So if this thing does not exist, what we want to do, so if tmp dot exists, we are going to return a component that will allow, or no, it's not temp dot exists anymore, it's this dot state dot new. So if new is set to true, we want to create account. Otherwise, so else, we want to log in. So we will prompt them for a login screen. So we'll return nothing for now. We can just delete this for now. All right, so now we'll actually get let me just check. Nope. Okay. This is, all right, that was a very slow start, but we did it. This is the biggest, and we have been streaming for 30 minutes and we haven't even got past the first task. This is gonna be a long night. Oh god damn it. I'm already losing this. all right, whatever. All right, so let's handle the account creation first. So we will go ahead and return. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and create a new folder called views, where we will hold all of our components. So in a new file, account.js, we're going to go ahead and import all this stuff here. So import React component from React. We also want all this stuff, so import, and we also want the file. So I'm just going to copy the header right now. I'm just gonna stop the app just so it's not taking up RAM, just constantly reloading. And then we want to import some of the stuff that we're gonna do in here. So export. Let me see how we did it in our. So export. So it's a class, right? So and then it extends component. So export class, or we'll do create account first. So create account extends component like that, and then render return nothing for now. And then in the app.js we want to do import create account from /views/account. So now we want to do a view styles is equal to or is it styles? God damn it, I don't know what the guys, don't yell at me. I don't know what any it's just style. Okay. Style is equal to styles dot container, like so, and then we will import a create account like so, and then we can also create a class for login extends component, and then we'll render something and return another thing. Nothing for now. But in the main file, we'll just do the same thing. So view style is equal to styles container, and then we'll just do a login, and that's an auto import from views account. All right. And then the last class, which we will end up getting to, is just account settings. So export class account settings extends component and render, and we'll just return an empty view for now. All right, we'll just actually do that for all three so it doesn't throw any errors. But all right, so we'll start out with the create account. So in view, so we just want to say, so we're going to have a text header. All right, so we should have a style.js file. So in assets, or not s, I'll put it in views for now. So I'm going to create a new file in views called styles.js. And all it will be is just, it will be all of this stuff here. So import style sheet from, let me just make sure, all right, it's capital S, and then just React-native, and it's just capital S. And the way we create it is just const styles is equal to style, I can't type, style sheet dot create, and it's just, we'll just copy the dictionary right now. So we can just centralize our style sheet like so. All right, and now we can actually go back into app.js and delete the style sheet they have there, and then we'll need to import it. So import styles. I'll actually need to export it too. So export const styles, and then we'll just do from /views/styles like that. And now, all right, perfect. So export is just a Node.js function that allows you to communicate between classes. It's pretty cool, but oh god, I'm already losing hair because of this shit. Oh god. All right, let's go through this. All right, so we can actually just put the styles off to the side because we'll be needing that. We'll just be editing that every now and then. So in create account, we want to have a text element, and we want to style it as header. So styles.header, and it auto imported that from styles. And we can now create a header, and we'll just say font size is going to be 72. And font weight bold, like so. And then we just want to say enter a password, and then in smaller text we'll just say must be 16 characters. So text style is equal to nothing for now. Must be 16 characters. This will be very this is important because when we actually get to communicating between a website and the thing, we'll be using something called AES encryption. If you don't know what that is, that's fine. But it requires a 16 character key for the method that we'll be using. But yeah, so this will all come together down the road. But for now, we'll just say that it has to be 16 characters. And then we can also just go ahead and create another style, container center, just to make sure that everything is center. So text, what is the align items sent? Did I align? All right, center, like so. What just happened? Did I just? I think I definitely did. Right. And it has to be an underscore, not a dash. All right, so style is equal to styles container underscore center. All right. So next we want to have a line, and I was fiddling around with this, but the best way. Hold on. React Native horizontal line, React Native HR. So this is another package that we can use. Does it say how to install it? No, it doesn't. I'm not gonna. Let's just try this. When can use more blah. Okay, let me just do this for now. I'm not going to copy it, but so we'll just create another JavaScript file called utils.js where we can just put some utility classes. Import React component from React, import view. Is that it? All right. Style sheet text, or we don't need style sheet or text anymore. And nor here. So view React-native, and export class view HR extends component render return. Let's do a view style is equal to a dictionary. Is that what I want? Yeah. Alright, so border. Wait, do I need to import that? I'll just create it over here, whatever. For HR, just like that. And then so border, bottom color. Let's do #000 for, that's the code for black. We'll do border bottom width as hairline a thing? No. So I'll just do 0.5. Let me just make sure this is also there, and then we can just leave it at that for now. And then it will just be the style is equal to styles.hr, like so. And it'll just be the view. All right, so now we can go back to account.js and then we can import that. So import HR from, oh goddamn, I keep mistyping. Utils. So I kind of alluded to this file structure in the last couple of videos, where I would be going into more depth, because when we actually went through the framework, I literally just threw everything into a single file. But in an app, you definitely don't want to do that. So I'm going to be splitting the views up by purpose. And this one's account, this one's utils, and then there's also just a styles one. But now we can do an HR, much like in HTML, and then we'll have to do some text input. So this we'll look at our. I don't want to do that. No, I don't. I really don't. But whatever. I don't know what I'm too tired right now. But so in account.js, we will have to have the component have a constructor, because every time we type something in, we'll want to change the state. So super props, and then this dot set state text dictionary. Text is nothing for now, like so. And then we want to have a text input. Text input, have it automatically, or we can actually just text input. You have to import that from React Native, and I'm just going to copy and paste this for now. We'll just keep it as 40. Placeholder password. Is there a values equal? Alright. Is there a password one? Where am I? Here we go. Alright, so React Native password input. Is it going to do it? All right, we'll just do secure. Okay, secure text entry. That's a thing. secure, and that's just going to be set to true for now. And let's see, and then we'll have a button, which we'll also have to import, and that will be, we can look at our own stuff for that. So in button basics, so button this dot, all right, so we'll have a function called submit. So and we'll just do on press is equal to this dot, no, what? Yeah, this dot submit, and title is equal to create account. Nope, I don't want to do that. Okay, so now we can actually go ahead, and I'll just go ahead and print the password out. So console.log this dot state dot text. So that's the purpose of setting the state to text, so that whenever we input a letter or a new key, it'll set the state to that, and then we can put that in the actual thing. And in the submit function, we'll actually validate it to make sure it is 16 characters. All that good stuff. So in our terminal, we want to say npm start. We can X out of this one, leave that, and then we'll press an A for Android again. That's good. Oh, this is what I thought would become wrong. All right, cannot use keyword await. My only problem is that if we don't do the await, then it's not gonna it's not gonna wait for this thing to, because my perception of what promises are in JavaScript is they take a while, so longer than your average function, so that you need to do the special stuff to make sure they execute properly. That's not the actual thing. Don't listen to me on that. But because my little issue with this is, if we do this function and then then it might render before actually seeing if the file exists. But let's try it. So console.log, and we know the file doesn't exist, so this .state.new. Well, no, that won't help us. All right, and then I'll just do tmp is equal to nothing for now. .tmp, and let me just, so I'm just going to change this to file system.get, and then .then, and then we can say this .state.new is equal to not tmp.exists. Because if it does exist, if it does exist, we want to say no. We don't want it to do new accounts. So, and then we will also just say this .state.tmp is equal to hello. This is just that's for testing purposes. So I'm gonna run the app again. God damn it. Oh, this takes forever. Alright, open it on Android. Oh my god, damn it. Please work. Unexpected token. Oh, it's not equals. Do I really need to restart the whole thing? God damn it. Oh my god, this is no fun. Oh my god. I'm breaking down over here. Of course. Alright, no, it's not. What the hell? Oh. Let's see what it prints out. Yeah, so it doesn't, when it renders a stupid thing, it doesn't actually change it. So that's my problem. God. Oh. Oh, god damn it. This is gonna be interesting. Actually, I can just move all this stuff to here. Oh, guys, I figured it out. All right. So in the render function, we will worry about all this stupid stuff later. But I'm worrying about the async stuff. So file, in the render function, we'll just do file system.get info async. We'll just copy this string. Make sure you copy everything. And then then the TMP. We actually don't need to worry about this dot state. So if tmp.exists login else create count. So what we'll be doing is we'll just be moving this stuff into here, and voila, we have done it. We have done it. Perfect. Oh, that's probably not going to work. I hope it works, but constructor control. Yeah, I know what's going to work. This is going to be difficult. I'm actually very confused on how I'm supposed to do this. God damn. Can I make the render async? Is that gonna... I don't know what the hell to do here. Then I mean, I could just do this really inefficiently, and do I want to? Proceed is equal to false. I'm gonna do something that you should never do, but I'm just trying to get this to work. while not this dot state dot proceed. Just an empty while loop. Oh my god, it looks so ugly. But that's what has to happen, because I'm clueless on what else to do here. Did it give me? Gave me. Yeah, that's the problem, because this. Yeah, you can't really do that. We've been, oh my god, we've been live for an hour. Oh my god. This might be just an hour of me crying. Yeah, I am clueless. I am actually, I mean, can I do an async? Can I do that? And let temp equal await, and just get rid of this. Get rid of that ugly statement. This has been rough. Oh my god. Alright, let's try moving all this stuff down here. Make render async. No. And the frick. Oh my god, I'm losing my mind at this rate, like, holy crap. I am actually losing my mind, like, this is taking so long. Objects are not. This error. What's up with the scrolling? Alright, that's definitely an error from the. If you meant to render a collection, what? Objects are not valid as. Where? Where does it? What is up with this? I mean, at least it's a different error, right? Oh, God. Maybe this is. I'm actually clueless. I've never worked with this sort of thing before. Like, I mean, I've seen a bit of async stuff, but like, why does it have to be async? Why can't it just be, oh my god, why? Expo, why does it have to be so? Why does a promise have to be a freaking thing? God. And the problem is they don't even give us an example with any sort of like application. Like, I mean, are there any examples here? No. No. I mean, can I do Expo file system React Native? It's not going to give it to us. Ooh. This is what I was looking at, but yeah, it's an A. Why does it have to be an async function? Why? Can Alice win the game? No. No. What is this? Alright, sick, nice, really cool. I like, why? Why does it have to be so complicated? This may be the most useless stream that I've done, like, ever, and that's like 2. I've done none. Oh god. So the render function is not an async. It can't be async. So then this cannot be a wait. But then it's not going to actually get it in time. Oh my god. Yeah, this is there like a way to frickin' do this? Because they don't give us anything here. React native file system, like that. Yeah, I looked at this before, but this isn't, like, I don't know what this is from. I think that's like, this is not Expo. This is not Expo. And this is async as well, so wouldn't really make a difference. I mean, or here, 1 second. React native render async function. Let me see. Oh. If this dot state. Oh. Oh. Component did mount is async. Okay. Async component did mount. And it doesn't take anything. So we'll do so it's a try and a catch. We'll just do nothing for now. And so const async data is equal to await this dot get is it info async? Sync data. I hope is that a thing? Oh, you know what I know what it is. so we can just do, so in component did mount, we can, oh, okay, so here, now, so we can, we'll do get info async, nothing there, and we'll just do dot then, we can say TMP, we'll move, I don't think it's in, is it in the render? I don't think it shouldn't be in the render, I don't think. So let me just put this, or actually, where's the, because we have the component did mount somewhere here. There we go. Component did mount. Is this called every time this dot set state? All right, I'm just gonna try this out. This dot state dot new is equal to not tmp dot exists. Okay. If and then we have to say, oh, this dot set state, yes, and then new is equal to not tmp dot exists. And then I think that set state calls the component async component did mount, and then and ready is false, and ready is true. Wait, how does this? What is a component did mount? Alright, what does it say here? Alright, so component did mount. Oh, never mind. This goes in component did mount. Okay, like that. And then if this dot state dot ready else. So if it's ready, we're gonna do all this stuff here. Otherwise, we're just going to return an empty view. Okay. Let's see. All right, hopefully this should work. All right, build it. All right, can't find. Oh yeah. This dot state dot new. So now we just gotta create account and then log in here. So if it calls for a new account, we will create an account. Otherwise, we're just gonna log in. So create account. Build it. Please work. Please work. No. Null is not evaluating this dot state dot text. Okay. So now we're in here. Where though? I don't really care about account 29. What is, well, in the constructor we say this dot set state. All right, this is now. Is that it? Let me try that. It's hopefully it throws. Okay. Can't call this on a component that is not yet mounted. This is a no op, but it might indicate that it's bug. Assign to this dot state directly or define a state. What do we? I mean, this is pretty much what this looks like, and that was exactly what we're doing. Set state. This dot set state text. All right, this dot state dot text. That is fine. I don't. What is it telling? Can't call it as not yet mounted. This is, because this is what we did in the last video with the pizza translator, and it worked. I don't know why it's giving us an error right now. Placeholder value. Null is not evaluating this dot state dot text. This dot state dot text. I mean, maybe let me try doing state is equal to nothing. This dot state dot text is equal to nothing. Actually, let me see. All right. In this case, I don't need the constructor. Unexpected. Oh, it's not equal. Duh. Oh, it will. Thank God. Let's go. Oh, yes. And we can just center the align self center. No, and of course did it work? Why is this not center? Why is this? No. Alright, we can just put some padding. 30. Let me just make this. I can just go ahead and say styles equal to styles dot text input, and now let's make a rule here. Text input height 80, padding 20, 15, and yeah. Why is this not? Alright, I don't really care. Regardless, let's just enter something. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, so that's good. Now create account. Undefined is, alright, great. Undefined is not an object. Maybe if we tried that. Oh, there's this new styles, great. No. Maybe this dot state dot text is equal to text. Alright, yeah, so that's not working. This dot set state I'm saying too many S's. Oh, this has been so long. Maybe that. It's saying it can't find text, but text is always going to be there. Alright, we've run into another bad error. Great. You know, to think about it now, I probably should have done a bit of this testing beforehand. I've wasted too much time just pouting and whining. I mean, because this is exactly what we're doing, but because this dot state is that. Yeah, it's making sure that. Let me just component did mount maybe. What do I have to do in component did mount? Just say this dot set state. Oh my god. Alright, 15. Alright, so this dot state dot text is apparently not a thing, but it is. Well, I don't know if I can I do console? Oh, alert. That is something. Let me. God. No, I don't want that anymore. Maybe if I do submit text, no, not that. Submit text and this, maybe that'll work. And this dot state dot text is not a function. What? When did I do that? When did I do that? Oh, there we go. Oh, no. Oh. Wait, no. Wait. This dot state dot text. I don't want that. Oh, wait. I know what I did wrong. Maybe that'll work. Wait, what happened here? Do I have to? I think I have to restart the stupid. Come on. Oh, all right. We will get through the create account screen, and then we are done. Why is it throwing an error, or why is it giving us an alert? I don't want it to alert. I only tell it to alert when I press the button. What? When is it doing alert? What? Oh, let me just try this. Okay, that is not good. That is no bueno. And it's not even doing it when I press create account. What? This thing's choking. This is actually choking. What is up with this? This dot set state submit PW. Let me try renaming the function. Oh. Oh, this is. I mean, if I just get rid of that, is that going to do anything? Okay. And I want to be when the button is pressed. Alright, this is getting super weird. Button basics, button on press. Why would that be? Oh god. Right, on change text. That is, we end the element there. I don't. Should we put a another? Is there even a horizontal line that renders? There is no horizontal. All right, I don't care about the stupid horizontal line anymore. That can go away. I really don't care about the horizontal line. Yeah, give me the errors. Give me the errors, please. Wait, no, it didn't give me any errors. Nice, but it's still giving me that stupid thing. This dot state dot text. Why is it calling the function? I'm not saying on change text call it. Is it something here? Do I need a component to know? Might throw an error. It's still giving me the stupid thing. What? That doesn't make any sense. This makes no sense at all. Because I'm not pressing the button. The button's not being pressed. And when I do press the button, nothing happens. What? What is happening? Okay, I'm not pressing the button. I mean, is there like, did I import it? Probably. Yeah, it's from button from React Native. Hold on. Text button. Styles.separator. Oh, they do have a separator. Simple button pressed. Alright, yeah, this. Alright, I can't do React Native. No, I'm gonna continue. Don't worry. I don't know why it's doing this. Alright, what's up here now? Yeah, you're great. Thanks. God. I'm not. Oh my god. This is getting ridiculous. Because I'm not telling it to freaking on change text do the alert. Like that's just not what's happening. Tile create. Oh my god. I think this may be the worst thing I think this may be, oh my god, I can't do this. Because I don't know what's wrong. The only time I call submit this, the only time I call this function is here. What the hell? I mean, let me text and let me see if there's something here. What is on change tag? I mean, I can make the max length equal to 16 right now, but that's going to give me, oh, it has to be in parentheses, or curly braces. Rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. Alright, still the same stupid error. I mean, maybe if I try that. Nope. No difference. Oh, I'm falling asleep over here because I just have no clue what the hell to do. I mean, I guess we could try whatever this is. Let me just copy that. I know, no, I'm just done. Alright, so I guess this is sort of like a lambda expression. What the hell? Why is this not? You have it on your site and it's not working. What? What? Alright, never mind that. This is, I can't do this anymore. I cannot, I'm losing my mind just staring at the screen for long enough until something changes, but nothing is going to change. And that's really sad. Oh my god. I'm so bungled right now. It's probably because I haven't had enough sleep lately, which is kind of weird because I got like 9 hours of sleep last night, but this is beyond me because I'm never linking the text input to the function submit PW, which is also really weird. You know what? Oh, screw this. I'm gonna do some tinkering off stream, and I'll come back probably tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. I'll see. But you know, who knows? This has been one of the worst streams. I'm horribly sorry for this. We got through files, and I'm not even sure it completely works. But you know what? The only thing that matters is that we tried. And that marks the end of Black Friday. Damn. Hope you guys ran down Walmart enough. Right? How long have we been live? Can we keep going? I'm you know, I need to figure this out. Hold on. Text. Alright. React native text input on changed text. Let me just look at this. On end editing. Okay. So maybe let me say on end editing. Wait, what the hell is that? No, I mean, I don't think that's gonna help me though, because I don't have anything that I need to do when that user stops typing. I just need to, because this, why? Just why? Just why is the text input calling a function that's in the button? All right, I'm done. I'm gonna stop wasting your time. I will see you guys tomorrow. You know what? Tomorrow's December 1st. Wait, no, no, that's gonna be later today. Ooh, I'll probably come back tomorrow, maybe, and then maybe Sunday if we don't get any of this shit done. But I am horribly sorry. I would like to apologize for how pathetic of an excuse this was for a productive stream, because we got nothing done. I mean, I guess I kind of like did a bit of outlining. I mean, I showed you a bit of this, but like this is nothing. This is nothing. Oh God. I'm losing my mind. Right? It's too freaking late. All right, I'm done. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.